Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Yitamotor floor mats for the 2018 Honda Civic EXT. We purchased this on Amazon and for $85. And yeah, let's just get right into it. I think this side should be rid of the tape over here. Real quick. And then I think it should just pop right out. If I'm right. Yes, this comes all out. Comes out over here. Okay, so with the plastic out of the way, looks like it comes with a little floor mat instruction right here. Follow us on Instagram. Let's open this up really quick. So it's got its little instructions manual. A couple little, it's like little rings here. Oh, so this is for when you're trying to screw it in, be my guess. Little thank you note, like for purchasing, and then it kind of like instructions on which way they go and whatnot. So yeah, get over these floor mats really quick. So I'm guessing this is the driver's side right here, the two little holes. I'm guessing that's what these are for. And then let's see, we got the passenger, it looks like, and then the back seat covered right there, and a little follow-up video putting them in the back seat, front seat, and whatnot. All right, so I'm gonna put in the driver's side panel right here. I'm gonna take out these existing cloth ones that I have right now real quick. Slide those out, and I'm just gonna lay this onto there. So it just slides in pretty smooth. I have the seat all the way back for now. And just need to align it now with the little spinnies. So this one's in. I just need to turn it over. And I just need to get this side in, connected. Kind of move it around. Almost got it. I just need to rotate that a little bit to get it in. There we go. And just turn that. And there we go. Got the little floor mat. It looks like it fits pretty smoothly. I usually have my seat all the way back anyway. But yeah. So far so good. I put in the passenger side already. Let's get over to that. And this one fits pretty well, pretty snug, just kind of slid it right in. And yeah, I'm gonna put in the back seat and then I'll show you guys that. All right, and then here are the back seats. I kind of just slid both the front seats forward and then just kind of laid these in place. I had a little trouble right over here just getting it to work around it, but eventually I got it. You just had to slide, make sure each side is as far as I can get in. Like this, just needs to be pushed down, I guess. Over time, I guess it'll settle. But yeah, other than that, I think it's pretty nice. The front seats as well look really nice. You can't even tell like they're there pretty much. And yeah, overall, it seemed like pretty good floor mats. This is also again for the 2018 Honda Civic EXT. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.